Get a feel for the 2023 Genesis GV80. Here's an athletic performer with modern panache. The GV80's clean styling, smart tech, refined cabin, smooth acceleration, and advanced driver assist safety features bring fresh energy and inspiration to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Solid capability meets modern style in this GV80. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.